Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find hidden folders on Windows 10 so you can easily access files that are hidden by default. Step 1. Open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the File Explorer icon on your taskbar, searching for it in the Start menu, or right-clicking the Start button and selecting File Explorer. This opens the main window where you can browse all your files. Step 2. At the top of File Explorer, click on the three-dot icon located on the far right side. This menu gives you additional options for managing your files and folders. Step 3. Select Options from the drop-down menu. This opens the Folder Options window where you can change how files and folders are displayed. Step 4. In the Folder Options window, click on the View tab. The View tab lets you customize what you see in File Explorer, including hidden files and extensions. Step 5. Under Hidden Files and Folders, select Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. This option makes all files and folders that were hidden by Windows visible. Step 6. Click Apply and then click OK to save the changes. This ensures that your settings are applied and will remain active. Step 7. Your hidden files and folders will now be visible in File Explorer. You can now access and manage these files just like any other files on your system. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.